value of USA DataNet to me is the ability to have no box. The ability to know that from a disaster recovery standpoint, we're covered. Being in the insurance business, we know a little something about disaster recovery. So knowing that when other people are down, we're still up to service them is very, very important to us. If you're a business owner today, you have to make serious decisions about investing in your future for tomorrow. And this is one of the ways that you can future-proof your business. So as we acquire a new office or we grow into a particular territory, the phone system used to be a multi-day process to just get it up and going. Today's phone system process for us is a matter of get some bandwidth, plug it in, go live. It's a much easier process than it used to be. And that enables us to service our local customers better as well. When you've been in business for over 100 years, we're 1864 and USA DataNet over 100 years, it's important to know that that company is adapting and evolving, because then that proves to me that they're committed to my future, which I'm already committed to. And knowing that they've made the investments that they have in growing their business model to give me additional services has a direct effect on my success. If you just buy a VoIP system from anybody online and they ship you some phones or it comes from anywhere, just buying any VoIP system is not the answer. You're going to spend a lot of time reading a book to try to figure it out. The difference with USA DataNet and just buying any commoditized phone is that somebody's going to spend time with you to make sure you implement it properly so you use all the right features. That's how you get the return on your investment from a system.